How to change the default browser app in which you have a link that requires you to go into a web browser and view it. If you want to change which is the default app that will open up the link, here's where you can go to do this on your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone or any other Samsung phones with Android 15. So let's just say you installed some new browsers and now you want that browser to be your default browser. So go ahead into the quick access, tap on the settings toggle here, then go down until you see apps. It's the last, nearly the last area past this section here. So you'll go here now and you will see choose default apps. And as you're here now, the first one would be browser app. And here, basically, usually it would be set to Samsung Internet as a default one, but if you wanted to open up with Chrome, you can do that. Or if you wanted to open up with Opera, you can also do that. And that's how you would go about doing it, like in Sub.